Damn, Spancy.
What up? What up, man? It's your boy AB, man. Back in that thing. This your boy AB underscore in that thing. And back with another video, man. Today's video, man, is an exciting vlog, man. Today is Stunner Reese and CJ first annual car show, man. The first one, man, that they hosted together on their own, man. This is gonna be big, man. Just want y'all to stay tuned to this video, man. If you just tuning in, man, make sure you hit that share, like, and subscribe button. Post notification bell on all so you can get the latest updates and contents to the videos that your boy drop from day to day, or y'all know how it go, day after the next day. But man, I got my brother in the house today, man. He back in town. Got him right here. Yes, sir.
How y'all doing?
I know y'all been asking about him and everything, man. Came back home, man. We gonna talk some things up, man. But just stay tuned for this vlog, man. Man, they got police out here all deep already. Yeah, but man, we finna see what's gonna go on, man. It's kind of packed already, man. But let's see what's good, man. I'm not parking over there. Y'all already know I'm not parking over there, so let's see what's good, man. Let's see how they treat your boy. But just stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned. We got something going. All right. What up, gang, man? It's your boy AB, man. Just made it to the location. We got Lambo on Lambo right now, man. So I want y'all to take a look at this. This the Lambo I came to see. Yeah. Love that one. This one right here. Can I take a ride in it? Can I take? Oh, okay. The door's open. Man, I gotta get inside to drive it. How I'm driving? Oh, I gotta use that. Okay, well, I'll use that one. I like that one. I like this Lambo better though.
You like this?
No, I like this one.
Which one is your favorite one, right? Yours or his? Which one you like better? Yeah, that's my man.
But yeah, this one hard, man.
What's going on, man?
What's good, fam? How you feeling, man?
Man? All is well, yes, sir.
Man, it's hot as
I know.
I ain't gonna use that word, but yeah.
We already know.
Man, I'm trying to stay cool, man.
I seen you pulling in. I
Oh, you
was
did?
like, look at AB in that thing.
Yeah, I'm a little late, but yeah, I'm here though, man. I'm here.
sir.
Appreciate the love, man.
Yes, sir, man.
Yes, sir. Yep.
I know you got a subscriber out here.
Yes, man. I appreciate all the love, bro. Yep.
You know that, man.
Yes, sir. Yep. How long you been out here today?
We come from Peoria, bro. We come from Peoria.
Hey, man, I be out there all the time, man, for work, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, for work, yep. All the time, bro. Yep.
It's good seeing you, though, bro.
Love, bro. Yep. Yes, sir.
You know that, man. Keep grinding. Keep grinding.
You already know, man. Say less, bro. Yep.
AB in that thing right there.
What's good, man? Go ahead and shoot out. You know I'm gonna do you like that every time,
You
man.
already know what it is, man. Life is Stern. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Big yellow on yellow too. You know
I
what
know,
I'm saying?
man. Right. Which one go faster though?
Oh yeah, you already know.
I know. I'm messing with
But
you.
for sure, man, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my boy AB in that thing, man. Cool
Yes,
as hell.
sir, man. Yes.
So go ahead, shout out yours, bro.
I forgot my name. I told you I stopped YouTubing, man.
Yeah, you
No,
stopped
I'm just
YouTubing.
playing. I'm just playing. AB underscore in that thing, man. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I get a lot of views, man, but I found out most of my viewers are people who didn't subscribe. So please subscribe, man. It's free.
It's free.
It's free, guys.
Free, bro.
So
Subscribe to my boy.
AB underscore in that thing. Love, Tom.
Love.
Yep.
So we gonna see his car later. Y'all saw it yesterday at the Cincinnati Club, man.
Yep. Hey guys, I want y'all to look at the Scrappy right here, man. It's about to be gone. Scrappy is about to go away. I hope whoever get it, treat it right. You know what I'm saying? Whoever gets Scrappy, make sure y'all treat it right. Yeah, man. Hey, and don't be mad if I do win this car. You know what I'm saying? Don't be mad if I do win. I just want to say that. I put a lot of tickets into it, so don't be mad if I win this car. Yeah. What's good, man? How you feeling, baby? Love, baby. Yes, sir. Man, let's just check it out. Hey guys, just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna keep vlogging until all the cars get here. I don't want to keep going back and forth, so just stay tuned. And then it's just, you know what? I got another idea. No, just stay tuned, man. I don't want to just keep going back and forth. I'm gonna wait till the parking lot full, then I'm finished the vlog. All right? Man, it's your boy AB, man. Just showing y'all some footage of inside, man. They got go-kart racing, food, axe throwing, video games and stuff like that, man. It's a lot of things to do today, man. They got the bouncy house outside. Later on, they'll be having fireworks. Man, the first annual event for CJ and Stunner, man. Nice turnout so far, man. I'm about to go outside and record some of these cars that came in. We got some nice rides out here, so just stay tuned, all right? Damn, man. Trying to get copyrighted, man. Alright, man, we back, man. Alright, so I like this one, man. The Ruchis. Yeah, yeah. You got it? Man. Y'all see that? This is nice, man. It's dope. It's dope. Who vehicle is this? It's nice, bro. You got old school shit in here too, man. You got the phone. I used to have a phone. That's love, bro. That's good shit, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. You know, like a drone, I can put it in my pocket now. Yeah. 4K and everything. It blocks wind and all that, bro. Yeah. 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 Yep. Off the Mini. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah, man, these are nice, man. What's good, man? I'm trying to get that work in, man, so I can enjoy myself later.
I know that's right.
It's hot out here, man. You got your footage?
Yeah.
How long you got? How much you got?
I got this roll left. And
How much time you got on there? Yeah.
I'm probably full battery.
Oh yeah, you ready? You ready? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Y'all see him, man. Yeah. Man, y'all see Okay, Sean. Hey, Sean. All right, man, we back, man. Messing around with pimping. Pimping silly, man. I'm about to find out, but I like it. This is old school. I can't, no. RS. What the hell? There you go. That's what you asked right there. He's sitting on the car right there. Quick question, man. Camaro.
Any night? Look at his face.
Camaro. What year is this?
91.
91. Yeah, I like this, bro.
Appreciate you, man.
I like this.
Saying, look out here.
Cause I'm looking around like, damn, I ain't want to get in too far in the car.
When you really look at it, the paint.
Yeah.
I looked at it the first time.
You see the flakes though? It got flip. It flip. Yeah. You can see the crystals and everything, the flakes in it. Yeah. I saw that one. Yeah, I saw it when I was walking around. But then I was trying to. He ain't got the symbol. I couldn't tell what it was. Then I saw the RS. I was like, oh. I was like, okay, cool. I like this. This is You got everything. Kind of original a little bit, right? But you changed the seats a little bit, right?
Yeah. I swapped the seats out. Got the speakers in the joint. Got the kicker box in the back.
Yeah.
Had to put the head unit in that joint.
The paint job good. Where you get the paint job from?
From the Vatos Locos on
Vatos Locos.
on 64th and Western.
Oh yeah.
Kingdom.
Hold on, 63rd and Western.
64th
and
Western.
I be around there.
That's Kingdom Auto Body.
Okay, cool.
On east side of the street.
By the bank? A little down from the bank?
The next block from
okay,
the car.
okay, cool.
Yeah, yep. Gave it to them, man. I had rust on the quarter pounds. I put skins on here. They cut all that out.
It look good, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. I like the flakes and
everything. Sanding in the buff one time.
Okay.
But I'm familiar with you, fam. I be seeing y'all.
Yeah. I be trying to do my thing, man. I'm trying, man.
Big guy. I just
Yeah,
got
man.
Stunner and CJ.
Yeah, man. It's AB underscore on that thing. As soon as you type in AB underscore, it's gonna pop up.
Okay.
It's gonna pop up.
You, fam.
Love. I appreciate the support, man. Yes, sir.
Man,
Yep.
I appreciate you.
Love, bro. Yep. I got a long way to go, man. Catfish. Cat. No. Oh hell no. Look at Stunner stealing.
You sell your Impala? That 96 Impala?
I ain't sell it yet, man, but me and my boy, hold on. All right, man, it's your boy AB back, man. We got a nice one right here, man. Never rode in one of these before, you know what I'm saying? Maybe one day he'll let me take it for a spin.
Oh yeah.
It's a stick though? Hold on, no, it's automatic.
With a manual shift.
Oh, okay, that's dope.
Hey, you gonna think you're on the Hellcat?
Yeah, it takes off like that?
You gonna
Yeah.
think?
How long you had this one?
I just bought it about a month ago.
A month ago?
Just for the stage 1 touring on it on Friday.
You having fun.
Crazy.
You better be careful, man.
Hey, it's
You better-
crazy. The speed on
Hey
it.
man, I love the whole look of it, man. It's clean, man. Like, you can't do nothing but have fun in this, huh?
Hey, absolutely. I gotta say this. I've been hollering at Off-Road Out. I got some new shoes coming too.
Oh yeah, he got some
yeah.
shoes for you.
I
I didn't even know he could get shoes for these.
Oh yeah. It got something a little special.
All right, we
It's
keep
gonna
that
take-
secret there.
Hey, it's gonna take
a little while,
yeah,
right?
It's gonna take probably 8 weeks, but he said maybe a little sooner. But we'll
Okay,
see.
we'll see what happens.
So, yeah.
But I like the whole thing, man. Like
Gonna
when
give
you
the
first
whole
came
nother
thing.
look.
Yeah, let me get it around.
Yes, sir.
I like it, bro. Like, how much one? Okay, how much one of these cost about? No,
Base model was Vanderhall Blackjack. Start at 26. Top model Carmel 46.
46.
There ain't no taxes. That ain't no ounces, no charge, nothing.
Cause I know the slingshot start off around like 20 something, right? 18.
don't even know.
Yeah, damn. This is up there with the slingshot then.
I swapped out the interior already.
Yeah, I could tell. Yeah,
Over 40 like that. So,
this is nice though.
yeah,
You can just bring this out and go.
man.
So, what's the laws on this? Like,
Hey, you got a driver's license, you good.
say last.
Hey,
Man, y'all here.
They tell me I need a motorcycle license. This one to take my test in.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you tell them where they can find you at? If you got more pictures on your
Alpina Alex on YouTube.
Man, y'all see it right there, man. Go ahead and subscribe to my guy, man. Man, showing much love out here in Chicago and everything, man. Doing it big, man. Thanks for, I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Much
Hey,
love,
me.
man. Yes, sir.
Always.
Love, bro. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see it. We got a bunch of rips out here, man. We got another Hellcat out here, man. We got another Hellcat out here. Winning City Challenge gang, you know what I'm saying? Check them out, man, on Instagram. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Yes, yes, yes. Yep. That's good. Remember, I just got a video of this one the other day. Just did this one the other day, guys. Got another guy, man, that's in the SRT life, man. He just slapped his whips on. He just slapped the shoes on it. Y'all see it. Y'all see the big boys on it. Totally look different, man. Totally look different. We went to the yellow calibers, man, to make it pop out. Yes, sir. Yep, yep, yep. What's going on, gang? My guys from the SRT life. What's good? What's good? We got big Stogie in his hand. Yeah.
SRT life.
And man, y'all already know what time it is, man. Yep, yep. Y'all see it. Surprise, boy, ain't have a camera out. You know I be on you, man. Yeah. Yeah. Get it over with. Put a fat one in the air. Hey Lloyd, man, I like it though, man. Just don't be driving like a bat out of hell, man. You heard what happened to CJ, right? He bent his yesterday.
Yeah.
When we was on our way there, he bent his.
Damn.
Yeah. So just be careful, bro. Yeah. That's a headache all day. Yep. Y'all. Ooh. We got another one, man. We got another one in the house. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Still in jam. Okay. Hold on. Oh, he got the top 100 one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Man, this was nice. Y'all see it, man. This was real nice. That's okay. Yeah. I see the crystals in it. What up, man? It's your boy AB, man. We about to take live footage of who won Scrappy, alright? We're about to find out who won Scrappy real quick. Y'all just stay tuned for this one, alright? Stay tuned, hold on.
Come on, sit down.
No, we need you to do it.
Sit down. I need you to do it. Because I didn't understand how it works. So you got to basically explain to everybody so they can know how it works. You had to go into the system and do what you
Yes, we apologize for the payment. And the results are in.
All right, the results are in.
Yes.
Now, is it going to be able to save it?
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. All right, so the winners have officially been picked. All right, here we go. How does it go? All right, so go ahead and give us does it tell the name?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Justin Wilderness.
Justin Wilderness. He's the 10th place winner. Where's CJ at?
I'm gonna go get him. I'm gonna go get him.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Excellent.
Who won?
Desmond Fox.
Damn, I missed the whole damn thing. Who won again, Stunner?
Desmond Fox.
Desmond Fox, guys.
CJ on 32 won, yeah!
Yeah, hell no. Man.
Yeah, you just said Desmond Fox won, bro. You late, bro.
Right,
I don't know. He on the no, we gotta call him. We gotta call him.
Hey, so the winner of the Scrappy is this guy, Desmond Fox. Desmond Fox has just won Scrappy. I thought we was gonna be able to keep it in the 32 game. I bought like 100 tickets and shit, man. I'm hoping I get my motherfucking money back. Huh? Man, I bought like 100 damn tickets, man. I was trying to keep it in the family.
If you would have won, though, you couldn't have won.
Fuck that, man. I spent my money though, man. They wouldn't have felt right though. They would have felt like we cheated, man.
Bro, we came up here to sign that title,
man,
and get the car.
Say that again. You came up here to what?
Came up here to sign the title to the 1985.
Right. Man.
You know, but I congratulate who won though.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
I congratulate who won though.
I hope they come up. I hope they come up here to pick it up. We catch them down the block. You know what I'm saying? No.
What? Scrappy won you.
Man, Stunner got fired. We got the whole game up in here. Got the whole game. Man, I was on the specials and everything. Hey man, y'all stay tuned, man. I didn't win the car, man, so I'm a little disappointed right now. Man, I'm happy for the person. Desmond Fox, right? But hey, man. Woo. Now whoever just won. No, we ain't giving out no money. Yeah, BJ with the little man.
What's going on, player?
What's going on, BJ?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I see the drip, baby.
Yeah, we out
What's
here,
up, little B?
got a little shoe out here.
Yes, yes. How you doing? Give me some. Bam. There you go. Yeah. Man. Hey, you guys, we're about to make the Stunner Reese about to make the phone call.
What's going on right now?
Desmond Fox won Scrappy, man. So they trying to get the phone number right now to call them and let them know they won.
Damn, son.
Yep.
Scrappy really gone.
Yeah, Scrappy's gone, man.
Scrappy
How you
gone.
feel about that?
I feel like he should have sold them to me, but it's okay. It's okay.
Huh?
Hell no, son.
He said Swervo, but he didn't say 2-time though. It's another dude named Swervo. Damn. Hey man, they got lucky with Scrappy though, man. They gonna have a bunch of fun with Scrappy. Desmond Fox. They know? I don't know where they from.
You gotta go through winners.
Just stay tuned, man, as they make the phone call to Desmond Fox, all right? gave out one trophy, I think. Only one trophy. I want to see who won. Got my man Dave over here. Hold on, baby. How you feeling, bro? Got my boy Dave. I'm gonna take his trophy when as soon as he turns his head, I'm gonna take his trophy. He ain't gonna make it home with the trophy, so hey, how y'all doing? Don't turn your back, man. Don't turn your back, man. How you feel, man?
Good, brother. How you feeling?
Well, it's well deserved, man. It's well deserved, bro. Like,
You tried, man.
yeah, first one.
Best of show, at least.
Get out of here, man. For real?
Best of show.
Oh man, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. Congratulations on it. I've been talking to you for a while about your car, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before even was looking like this, man.
Man, that's crazy, ain't it? I seen the progress, bro. Like real talk. It's much gratitude, bro. Like for real. Yep. Yes, sir. Yep. Man, you got it. You got it. Yeah, man. He well deserved that one, man. I've been watching that dude for a long time. So much big ups to that man. What up, man? It's your boy AB, man. It's getting dark out here. God fucking damn. I'm about to start. Hold on. Man, I'm about to. You end your video? It's dark as hell. This your boy AB, man. I'm back, man. Before I close this video out, man, I want to say, man, if y'all ain't hit that share, like, subscribe button, do so right now, man. Post notification bell on all, so you get the latest updates and contents to the videos that your boy drop, man. But I want to say, man, happy 4th of July to everybody, man. I know I didn't say it in the beginning of this vlog, but man, it was an epic event, man. Stunner Reese and CJ, man, had a good turnout, man. All love, man. All love here, man. But to the next episode, man, I want to say, man, this is your boy AB, man, and I'm out.